Hello guys! Today I want to tell you about 2 easy ways to learn English. These ways are simple and can help you get better at English step by step. Sometimes learning English feels difficult, but if you use good ways, it becomes easier and more fun. Let's begin. The first way is to read the same story or article at 5 different levels. This is my own idea. Many people read many different stories, but here you read one story many times, easy, medium and hard versions. For example, you read a story about bicycles. First you read a very easy version with simple words. Then you read it again, but each time the words and grammar are a little harder. Because you already know the story, it is easy to learn new words and sentences. You don't feel lost and you feel stronger. This idea comes from Stephen Krashen, a famous teacher. He says we learn better when we read things that are a little harder than what we know. This is called comprehensible input. It helps your English grow every day. I think you should do this every day. You can read or watch a short video about 5 minutes in 5 different levels. It will take about 30 minutes. After 3 months you will see your English is much better. The second way is to read out loud and record your voice. Many students can understand English but they cannot speak well. Speaking needs practice. When you read aloud, you train your mouth and tongue to make English sounds.
Check 1, check 2, check.
Recording your voice is very good. After you record, you can listen to yourself and find your mistakes. You will hear which words are good and which words need more practice. Research shows that when we practice speaking and listen to our own voice, we learn faster. It also helps you feel more confident when you speak to others. In my videos, I always put the text in the description. You can read with me and check your pronunciation. Try to do this every day for 20 minutes. After some weeks, your speaking will get much better. One more important thing. Don't spend too much time on big grammar books. Grammar is important, but it is not everything. When you practice reading, speaking, listening and writing every day, your grammar will get better by itself. It will feel easy and natural. So remember, practice a little every day. Even 30 minutes is good if you do it every day. I hope these 2 ways help you learn English faster and with more fun. If you have your own ideas or if you try these ways and get good results, please write in the comments. I would love to read your stories. Keep going. You are doing great. See you in the next video. Happy learning!